Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to install Adobe Reader for free on your Windows 11 PC. Adobe Reader lets you open, read, print and sign PDF file easily. So let's get started. So firstly, there are two ways to download it. The first one is open the browser, go to the Adobe Reader official website. Click on it. Here you will see Adobe, download Adobe Reader. It's the official website. It's safe for download. After opening the website, you can see the download button. Just simply click on the download a cropped reader and it will be easily download. The another method is go to your Microsoft Store. Here you will search for Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Reader, then search. Here you will see Adobe Acrobat Reader. Just simply here you will see it will the officially Adobe Inc, and click on install. It will be start downloading. Here you will see it's of 778.9 MB. It's approx 2 minutes to complete the download. You will see it will be almost completed. 5672 MB. So wait for it to completed. So you will see it will almost be completed. So once the installation will be completed, we will open it. Now you will see 778.9 MB. It will be downloading 100%. So now it's installing in the backend. Wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Here you will see installing almost done. Now click on yes. If window asks for permission, you just simply click on yes. The installer will automatically download the required files and install Adobe Reader on your computer. Here you will see installing almost done. You will see this in the background. It will also running. Here you will see installation in progress. It will download all the files. Now we will go to again Microsoft Store. Here you will see, now click on open to open it. Here Adobe Acrobat Reader is successfully installed. You can now open PDF file, read document, print PDF and basic PDF tools for free. And that's it. You have successfully installed Adobe Reader for free on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.